Next, we will demonstrate the S3 project. This is a comparison of the completed and unfinished effects. First, we will demonstrate the cable chain stitch. Use 4 strands of floss, color number 3 for embroidery. We tie a knot at the end of the floss. Then we bring the needle through the right side of the chain. Bring the needle through. Wrap the floss around the line once with the needle. Then bring the needle through the shape pointing to the left. Note the length of this chain. Bring the needle through. We will wrap the floss under the needle. Bring the needle through. Adjust the tension of the floss slightly. Continue to wrap the needle around the line. Bring the needle down from the next chain link. Bring the needle through to the left position. Then wrap the floss around the needle once. Finally, pull the needle out. We repeat what we just did. The last stitch. Bring the needle down at the end position to couch. This couching stitch is now complete. We will now proceed to make the third row. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 8. Tie a knot at the end. Then bring the needle through one end of the chain. Embroider from right to left. Wrap the floss around the needle once. Bring the needle down here, pointing upwards. Then wrap the floss under the needle. Pull the floss. Let's adjust its tension slightly. Alright, we are now completing the last stitch. We bring the needle down at the end to start couching stitch, then tie a knot on the back to finish the chain stitch.